At Toyota, we know as your life changes, so do your vehicle needs. Whether that's upgrading your first car, making room for a family, or seeking a lifestyle change, Toyota Exchange is our complimentary program to help you make the right choice for the future. How it works is simple. Toyota Exchange tracks your vehicle age, mileage, and your service history. Our dedicated Toyota staff are available to provide you with a complimentary vehicle life cycle checkup, showing you the future costs of maintaining and servicing your car, give you an on-the-spot evaluation of your current Toyota, plus provide comparison costs for other new Toyota vehicles. It's about giving you options to make an informed decision and benefit from Toyota's lifetime of advantages. Our Toyota Exchange specialists are available at your local dealership or whenever suits you. So, if you'd like to have a chat, we can schedule an appointment for the next time you drop off your car for a service and we'll greet you at the dealership. Toyota Exchange is about rewarding our most loyal service guests for being part of the Toyota family. So whatever your needs are, we're here to listen and give you the best advice. Toyota Exchange, helping you keep the feeling. Oh, what a feeling, Toyota.